Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making a slice of pumpkin pie. So I'm going to start out by outlining the pumpkin pie with a piping consistency orange royal icing fitted with a number 2 tip, and I'm going to leave a 2 centimeter gap at the bottom for the crust that we'll be doing later on. And I'm going to flood in this section with a flooding consistency of the same color, this time in a squeeze bottle. And I've got a coupler attachment on my bottle, but you can use any sort of squeeze bottle. The coupler attachment I have has a tip on it, which is a number 4 tip. And I've added just a touch of brown to this royal icing, just to give that orange a nice earthy color. And we'll use our scribe tool to get all that icing towards the edges and pop any air bubbles. And I've let these cookies dry for at least 6 hours, and I've mixed together a little bit of chocolate brown food dye with a touch of vodka to make it paintable, and I'm using a clean paintbrush and I'm just flicking it at these cookies to give it a fine splatter, and what this does is give it a look of spices. Next, I'm going to be doing the crust, and I'm using a very stiff consistency ivory royal icing for this, fitted with a number 104 tip, and I'm using a very stiff consistency because I really want it to hold its nice roughly decorative shape here, and I'm using a back and forth motion to get those nice ruffles. Finally, to finish it off, I'm going to be using a stiff consistency white royal icing and a number 35 tip to do a rosette in the middle as a dollop of whipped cream. And you can see the finished pumpkin pie here. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!